Barangay ay sa kamaturan sa it was Barangay Vapor who built the first ever biggest barangay hall in the province of Masbate. That was built during my term. Kaya ako nagpasalamat ako sa nag-challenge sa akin, and that was it. Sabi ko, naging konsyal ako, nakisama ako, but then sabi ko nga not all appreciated my being so close to others. Ano ba, nagselos na ako, magiging malapit sa mga politiko na iba. So, nagbago ang dalagan sa akong buhay. Until after my last term as councilor, siguro, sabi ko nga ni Sandra, I was not expecting to run. It was not my intention to run as vice mayor in 2022. But people have been asking me na ipakita ko daw kung hanggang saan ang makakaya ko. Sabi, interminaran pa nga ako na 1,000 lang daw ang boto na makukuha ko coming from my family. Sabi ko, okay lang, 1,000 at least I was able to gain 1,000 votes. Pero baligtad ang nangyari. I was able to garner 21,000 votes in 2022. Kaya that was appreciated by the then Governor Antonio Po. Sabi niya, grabe pinan mo, sabi ko na, din mo kinuha ang imo boto, nanong ginhimog mo sa tao na nagtuod sa imo. Sabi ko, boss, pinalangga ko ang Masbateño ever since I joined politics. Sabi ko, lahat ng kahilingan nila, as long as kaya ko, inahatag ko. That is the very reason kaya minahal ako sa mga syudadano. So sa iyo po kanan, all the legislative staff, again, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. I